Hi everyone, welcome back. We are continuing our coverage from the Capital HQ Investor Day here in Sydney. I'm now joined by JP Drysdale, the founder and CEO of HUBB. Now, if you've been watching the explosion in retail options trading over the past few years, millions of new traders are entering the market, volumes that are doubling since 2020, and you know that there is a massive opportunity. But here's the thing, the platforms serving these traders are fragmented, outdated, and frankly not fit for purpose. JP is building Hub to solve that. So it's the first all-in-one platform that's combining analytics, AI-powered trade signals, and a social trading community. And they've already got traction as well. So $2.8 million in recurring revenue, 1,200 paying subscribers all before their full launch. So let's dive into a very interesting conversation with JP. JP, thanks for being here.
Thanks very much, Rhythm.
Absolutely. Now, JP, so let's start with the basics. So, options trading isn't new. There are platforms out there, some that have been around for decades. But you are saying that there's a fundamental problem with how traders are actually being served. So, can you walk me through this? So, what's the actual problem that you're solving? What are these millions of options that traders are struggling with right now that made you think that, I need to build Hub?
Absolutely. Well, I guess the background to that is that the options market is exploding, as you've mentioned. And so there's a lot of new entrants into that market, but most of them are coming in on a brokerage platform. And those brokerage platforms obviously serve the brokers first. So they're really designed to maximize the brokerage revenue.
Right.
They're not designed for long-term trader success. So then when the retail traders are looking for solutions for more education, more social environments that they can find out about options, they're really just running into a lot of cottage industry, small providers. There's nowhere that's really emerged to act as a central, recognized, dominant website or place where option traders can go and find a community and really learn how to trade options.
Absolutely. That makes sense. Now, JP, here's what caught my attention. So, you've already got real traction and you did all of this originally before your full platform launch. So, that's not typical for an early stage fintech. So, can you tell us how did that happen? What's resonating with the users?
Sure. Well, I guess there's two key aspects to our business. So, number one is the platform itself. And as you said, that's taken some time to develop. But underlying the platform are our AI models, which help investors pick optimal option trades in I guess both stock and option trades. And so as we started to get some traction in terms of results with those AI models, we were able to make those available to our clients on a I guess a trading signal basis, even in advance of the platform being complete. And so that's how that came about. And it's been pretty good for us because that is really what we would think about as the back end of our business model. The target is to bring people onto the platform on a freemium model and then upsell them so that they then participate as a subscriber with the AI signals to monetize the platform. But given that we've had the AI signals earlier, we've been able to monetize some of that higher margin recurring revenue, which has helped us get to effectively break even with the business already.
Yeah, absolutely. That's quite impressive validation. Now, JP, everyone's talking about AI right now. So every company is actually AI powered, but you've actually got AI driven trade signals that you are claiming show 189% modeled annual ROI. That's a very bold claim. So can you tell us how does it actually work? And more importantly, how do you know that it's performing? Like what's the validation process?
Well, let's start with the performance. So I mentioned that our clients are getting AI signals. And just to give you an example, today's 30th of September, but we launched a new service to our clients on the 1st of May where they received trading signals from the AI. That service has doubled a trading account of $10,000 by this period now. So from 1st of May to September. So that's not a theoretical back test. It's not a hypothetical. That is real signals in our account, in the market that our customers are using and trading with. So that kind of is the validation, is that we're seeing really good performance. In terms of what we're doing with AI, we're a little bit unique in that we are effectively operating, I guess, like the research division of a hedge fund or an institutional trading operation. So we are building our own AI-based data science models, machine learning. We've taken research grants from the Australian government because what we're doing is truly novel. And basically we are making that available to retail clients on a subscription basis. So when you go to most of these other brokerage platforms, they might be implementing agentic AI in terms of assistance and interfaces on the platform, and we of
Correct.
course will do the same thing.
Yeah.
But we're doing something separate. We have an AI team researching trading models for our customers to subscribe to. And so
Right.
that model, just to give you a little bit more detail, is very, very sophisticated. It has millions of inputs for each model.
Yeah.
And so it also includes a model of where the economy is. The AI will have its own view as to whether the economy is expanding, contracting, slowing down, etc. It will look at every stock in every market, calculate every indicator for every stock and rank them. It will look at all of those metrics against a basket of different assets and look for correlations. It also looks at all the options pricing for every stock, and it looks at the financial performance for every stock. So when you contrast that to what a human retail trader can do, it's not even comparable. It's so far ahead.
Correct.
And that's why our customers are seeing such value in the service. We are effectively an outsourced research department for retail traders looking to participate in AI.
Absolutely. That's indeed very impressive, JP. Now let's talk about your business model because you've clearly figured out how to monetize this. So you're running a freemium model, so a free platform access that converts to paid subscriptions for the AI signals and trade alerts. So can you tell us what's the conversion rate looking like? How does that stack up against typical fintech or SaaS benchmarks?
Well, I'm not sure about the actual benchmark figures, but for us, we're still really trying to drive to scale. So at the moment, we have a freemium model, as you said, and we're making that available to everybody. We've not had any marketing spend against it at this point, so it's all organic, and we've acquired 6,000 freemium users. The conversion to paying subscribers on the AI premium is about 1,200, so it's been about 20%. So we're very pleased with that. Another metric that we're really happy is that we're at the moment seeing about an 88% renewal rate of subscription. So the churn on an annual basis seems to be quite low, which again indicates that clients are seeing good value.
Absolutely.
And I guess, if you're investing and you're seeing the kind of returns on your investments that we were talking about previously, well,
Correct.
understandably, you're probably fairly happy.
Absolutely amazing. That's great to know, JP. Now, the US is obviously the biggest options market, but you mentioned emerging markets like India and Brazil, where retail option trading is also absolutely exploding. So, your platform is cloud native, mobile responsive, built to localize. Is international expansion a part of the near-term roadmap? And are you going after these markets, or you're focused on dominating the US first?
We're looking at it as two phases. So we're definitely looking to expand our footprint in the US first. We do already have Indian data on the platform, but we haven't trained any of our AI models to give signals on the Indian market yet. So we have customers that are using the option tools for India, but we don't have any, back-end upsell AI signals for those customers. So to answer your question, the US clearly is the largest market in terms of the number of traders, but recently India has surpassed the US in the number of the volume of options traded. And so that market is really exploding. That will be our next market in phase 2. And as you said, Brazil and some of the other European markets are also growing as well.
Amazing. That's really very exciting. Now, JP, let's say that your raise is successful and you are able to execute on the plan. It's like, let's say we are in the future, 18 months from now. So where does HUBB need to be for you to consider this a win?
Oh, look, to consider this a success, our business plan's a 5-year business plan, so I might talk to that horizon. And what we're looking to achieve is to acquire 2 million freemium users over that period. If we convert 3% of those 2 million users, that's about 60,000 paying subscribers. And when we get to those sorts of numbers, we're looking at in excess of $60 million annually in revenue. And at that point, I think we'd consider things a success.
Amazing. Well, our team wishes you all the luck with your plans moving forward. To our viewers watching, you just heard from JP representing HUBB. If you want to get in touch with the team, please see the details in the description. Once again, thank you, JP, for taking the time to speak with us today and sharing your insights about HUBB.
Thanks very much, Rhythm.
Thank you.